We're back at 7:46 this morning, and this month is Heart Health Month, and one local nonprofit is inviting people out to a health fair with free services that are focused on a healthy heart and mind. Megan Western gets the details about Greater Purposes Community Health Fair.
Thanks for staying with us as we talk about an upcoming health fair that's covering two very important health issues for folks here in Central Georgia. Princess Jackson with the nonprofit Greater Purpose is joining us this morning to talk about this health fair in Centerville. Thanks so much for staying with us.
Good morning.
Go ahead and talk to us about this health and wellness community fair and the two main focuses that it has.
Our two main focuses, we're focusing on mental health, wellness, and heart wellness as well. The importance of your mental health and the importance of your heart health as well, because all of that runs together, you know, your mental and your heart, it all flows together. So the importance is your mental health and heart health.
Yeah, very important topics for people to be talking about. Tell us about the services that'll be included and offered at this event.
We will have CPR demonstrations from Emory Healthcare, and we also have a cardiovascular team to come out and speak about the importance of heart health as well, from Emory as well.
Yeah, always important to stay up to date on your CPR training. If we had to do it right now, I know that I would be out of luck. So definitely something good for people to check out. Talk a little bit about these CPR demonstrations and how this knowledge really benefits people both young and old.
Learning CPR can save lives. From the older to the younger, generation, I think that it's very important for them to know that how to perform CPR just in case of an emergency. So, just in case someone happened to have go through some type of cardiac arrest, they can perform CPR until emergency services get there.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to be in a situation where that was happening and I didn't know what to do. So you never know when you might need it, so
and you
always
never know.
good.
Yep, and you never know if it's old or new.
Right.
It could be a child that's going through it, or it could be an adult, and we all need to know the importance of CPR.
Definitely. Talk a little bit about how this health fair will encourage people to start taking care of their mental health.
The health fair is going to be a very safe place. We have some very, very down-to-earth, humble individuals that's coming out that's encouraging change, mental health facility. We have some very, they just so down-to-earth that they have you so comfortable with speaking to them and asking questions. So after the fair, you'll be more comfortable with seeking help, because some people feel like going to get help, oh, it's something wrong with me, or I might feel a little low or depressed or stressed, and they need someone to speak with, and they just feel like, well, if I go do this, someone's going to think something is wrong with me, and they're going to give them that, just hey, whenever you need to call us, we're one call away. We're not going to judge you, and it's a safe space.
Yeah, that's really important. Obviously, we all have our moments in life where they can be low points, and it's important to know how we're able to move forward in a healthy way. So it's always important to check up on your mental health, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. Talk a little bit about the reasons that this health fair is especially important to you.
So when it comes to the heart, I have individuals in my family that dealt with heart disease. My grandmother had open heart surgery. I had a father that dealt with heart disease for many years, and I actually had loved ones who passed away, from heart failure. And so it's just very dear to me, the importance of keeping yourself together, keeping your mental health together, and keeping your heart and health all around together is very important to me. So that's why when I initiated this, it was a whole month ago, and then exactly a month later, I lost my uncle January 20th from something like this. So it's very, very near and dear to my heart that everybody, if you can, just take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and just take care of your all-around health if you can.
Yeah, sorry about your loss. Obviously, many people, but especially in our African American community, we do see these higher risks for diabetes and heart failure, heart disease,
heart attacks, and with us too, it's like we are so afraid to go and sit down and just have this one-on-one with someone to say, hey, I'm not I'm not feeling my best today, or I've been feeling like this lately. You know, and we try to ball everything in because we want to be so strong, but that heart don't allow that, you know. So I just want everyone to come out if you can on the 28th from 12 to 3, and it's a very safe space. You can ask whatever questions you want to ask. If you any concerns you have, we have our, like I said, we got Emory Hospital there, and we have our mental health crew there.
Alrighty, well, thanks so much for joining us in studio today. I think we're going to pop up some of that information for you just to reiterate one more time. The free Health and Wellness Community Fair is happening Saturday, February 28th. Go ahead and mark it on your calendar. It'll be going on from noon until 3 at 300 Church Street. That's in Centerville. It is open to all ages.